Elliot has a cough and fever. He's decided to go and see his doctor in Eckerly, near Lyon in France. His visit comes as Europe works hard to improve its coordination in the fight against the coronavirus. iMove COVID-19 is one of the main projects financed with EU funds. It's bringing together case data. It will also assess the effectiveness of any future vaccines and treatments for the virus. The first step takes place here, either in a doctor's surgery or clinic where a COVID-19 case is diagnosed.
We're at the stage where we're coming out of lockdown and we're now trying to identify new cases as soon as possible in order to isolate them, to avoid a rebound and a second wave of infection. What we're looking for from this vaccine is an end to this outbreak. Once we get the vaccine, it's going to be a lot easier.
The project is backed by €2.8 million of European innovation and research funds in synergy with the EU cohesion policy. It involves 22 partners, mostly public institutions from a dozen European countries, including France and Spain. One of the main advantages of the iMove COVID-19 project is that it has been developed by a team that did a similar study on influenza. The virologists here are sequencing the genome of the collected coronavirus samples. So far, 3 types of SARS-CoV-2 have been discovered with only very small variations.
In the very short term, we're going to know if there are new subgroups of the virus, what their distribution is in the countries that are participating in iMove, and then we'll be ready for when the vaccine and the antivirals come to see if each of these groups respond equally to the vaccines and antivirals.
The project is also conducting a study to see what factors might contribute to hospital staff becoming infected, or why a person might develop a more severe form of the disease. The information is being shared with other countries in order to bring an end to the pandemic as soon as possible. Experts believe it will take about another 12 months for a vaccine.
The pharmaceutical industry does not take part in the evaluation of a vaccine. We are a multidisciplinary team. We've got virologists, epidemiologists, clinical biostatisticians, so it's a multidisciplinary international study that we hope will give important results.
The hope is scientific collaboration like this will improve efficiency in the hunt for a breakthrough to beat the disease.